How to change your middle name on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your middle name on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click Facebook and now click these three lines and click settings and privacy and now click settings and then click this one, personal and account information, and then click name, and now just click here and type any name you want and then just click review change. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.